Are you looking to be a certified data protection officer? Have you been in this situation before? What you need is to safeguard your data against malicious attacks. And in turn have a safe and convenient space to interact with those that matter to you. That's where we come in. We will train you on all you need to know about data protection. When do you need a data protection officer? A. In a public or private body. B. In regular and systematic monitoring of data subjects, and C. In processing of sensitive categories of personal data. Join us now. Computer Learning Center. Defining quality in IT and business training.